Hello, I'm Brian Murray, and I'm the Chief Technology Officer at Dyaco Medical. Today, I'll be introducing our cutting-edge 8 Series medical systems, an innovative solution to accelerate the path to better health and recovery. Our new 8.0U ergometer is at the forefront of rehabilitation solutions, featuring an integrated tablet, cloud analytics, and innovative step-through design. The 8.0U has a step-through design for patients' ease of access. Adjustments for patient positioning are intuitive and simple to operate, with numbers to indicate position for repeatability from visit to visit. The console's articulating arm provides a positioning system of 360-degree rotation and a vertical tilting of 90 degrees, so the console can accommodate a wide variety of patient heights. It also affords the therapist the ability to operate the console from the sides or the front of the bike, ensuring optimal supervision and guidance of the patient. To streamline the setup process, our products offer various login options, including QR scanning, NFC, PIN code entry, or guest access, catering to diverse user preferences and security requirements, meeting GDPR and HIPAA compliance standards. For efficient exercise initiation, therapists can press the start button, either physically on the product or through the console interface, to begin the workout without delay. The console pad features dedicated quick keys for adjusting the workloads, allowing therapists to conveniently modify these parameters during the exercise session, ensuring a tailored and challenging workout. Our new bike has an auto braking feature, which acts as a virtual freewheel, and that will immediately stop the flywheel from spinning whenever the patient stops pedaling. This prevents any chance of injury from a running away flywheel. The mechanical brake lever is a backup mechanism for stopping the inertia of the flywheel in the unlikely event that the auto braking software malfunctions. The electromagnetic braking system provides a smooth resistance with a wide range of delivered power to the pedals. The resistance have the ability to react instantly, which allows for various workload options of constant resistance, isokinetic speed control, and constant power. The bike has a wide range of resistances that go all the way from 5 watts at the low level to 1200 watts. When you enter a program, during any program, you can go to the control section, and we have 100 levels of resistance to choose from. This is a constant resistance mode. The other modes of resistance, we have different levels. So this allows patients with limited ability to be able to work to the level that is comfortable for them. We can have small increments of resistance, but also the 1200 watt top level that allows elite athletes to work at a very high level also. The built-in timer on the console serves as a user-friendly function, enabling therapists to set up a quick start program with countdown timer for warm-ups or short exercise sessions. Our product symmetry function measures and compares your left and right power throughout your range of motion, enabling therapists to assess and address imbalances of strength in the patient. At the end of the power distribution test, we display all the data from the test. We start with the average power, which is the average power of the left and right leg combined. We then show the power distribution around the pedal revolution. On the right side is the right leg power, the left side shows the left side power. We also show the degrees of the pedal angle. Below this, we show detailed results of power based on positioning of the pedal. So as you can see, it starts at 0, goes all the way through 360 degrees, and we display the power measurement at those angles. We also show the power graph throughout the test. We also are able to upload this data to the cloud for further analytics. We've developed a cool little innovative feature for our products, and we call it the beacon. The beacon features 5 distinct colors to visually indicate heart rate levels. So if your heart rate is high, too high, this will be red. If the heart rate is low, it'll be a different color. So it indicates and gives the patient or the therapist an indication of the heart rate. We can also set this to measure power and how much power and work the patient's doing, or workout progress like time, or targets like calories and METs. So as the workout progresses, the colors will change. This visual cue enables therapists to monitor multiple patients simultaneously, even from a distance, ensuring timely intervention when necessary. The bike has 3 different resistance modes for a wide variety of training and therapy options. So when you enter a target, a program, you have the ability to be able to set the type of resistance that you want. We call it workload, and this gives you the current resistance. It says level, which is constant resistance. Then we also have power, which is a constant power mode of resistance. Then we also have speed, and that is an isokinetic mode of resistance. For accurate heart rate monitoring, the patient wears a comfortable wireless chest strap compatible with Bluetooth or AMP Plus technology. Proper strap placement is essential for optimal data transmission to the console. Next, I'm going to introduce you to all of the new features, benefits, programs, and testing that we have incorporated into our new tablet consoles. The bike has a wide range of programs. From the home page, we can see here, initially, you have a patient or you're training someone and you enter all of their parameters, age, weight, height. Then we have 3 different categories of programs. We have what we call patterns, targets, and tests. If we go to patterns, we can see these are standard exercise programs like hill, plateau, a HIIT program, and also a facility program, which is a fully customizable program. Targets give us 3 different targets for a patient. A MET target, so you can enter a patient's MET level for a cardiac patient. Let's say their surgeon says he needs to work at a MET level of 3.5. So you go into the MET program, you set the program to 3.5, and we will automatically adjust resistance to maintain that MET level for that patient, so they don't have to try to maintain it on their own. Calories is a target. You just enter how many calories you want to burn, and the program will continue to run until you burn that many. Heart rate is a target heart rate program. You enter a heart rate, you wear a chest strap, and then the bike will maintain your heart rate by automatically adjusting resistance levels. Then we have the test programs. We have standard programming like the A-strand rhyming, the YMCA protocol. We have a Conconi test, a steep ramp test. Then we have a Wingate test, which is a power test, very cool test. We have added a new test that nobody has, which is a power distribution. And what this does, this is going to be measuring your power around the pedal rotation, so we can see where your strengths and weaknesses are, basically in your range of motion, in your knee angles, things like that. And then we also have stress testing for cardiac patients.